Hi, let's have a look at modular persona-based create virtual server reference implementation workflow. This is a simple web create workflow which uses BlueCat for IPAM integration and ServiceNow from ITSM integration and creates a virtual server on a F5 LTM. This modular workflow provides the flexibility to change the vendor integration. Let me disable it. Yes. You see the card. So you have a BlueCat integration over here. If I want to change it to InfoBlocks, the IPAM system to InfoBlocks, I simply have to drag and drop this, delete the existing one, and just connect the. That's it. Like you're done. So now it becomes a blue InfoBlocks integration. So this workflow is a modular workflow. So which provides the flexibility to change the vendor integration. So similarly, I could change the vendor integration from F5 to Citrix. So if I want to create a virtual server on a Citrix rather than on F5, I could simply drag and drop Citrix and I can do that. So this actually provides a investment protection. So the whole process and the whole workflow remains the same. We just need to create a sub workflow which is specific for that particular vendor and just plug it in into the workflow and you would change the workflow. And if you go to the rollback, like what are the virtual server that we have created, we can actually roll back the configurations uh, once it has been created. So since I have changed it to info blocks in the forward flow, here also while releasing, I would rather release the IP address from the info blocks. So this would actually not only delete the virtual server and the objects that are associated with it, it will also release the IP address that has been reserved. Just a quick recap. New vendor integrations can be added to this workflow by creating or importing vendor-specific sub-workflows. With minimal changes, the same workflow can be reused, avoiding vendor lock-in. The modular workflow provides the flexibility to build over your existing automation investments.